get ready with me look. It's something very easy and it's something very natural, and it's kind of like a soft glam but without the lashes, because not every day we want to get up and go on the road and be looking dolled up with lashes. Not every day I want to do that personally. So this is just my easy go-to. And if you guys are wondering what lippy I'm wearing on my lips, I was gonna say my skin, what lippy I'm wearing on my lips, it's the new Fenty Beauty Unveil lipstick in, what's it called, Unveil. This is such a beautiful chocolate color, and I went ahead and I used my NARS Lonely Heart lip pencil just to line the outer part, just to bring some warmth and dimension back to my lip. And yeah, I just freaking love this lip. I love the lips too, yes, excuse me, but I love this look. This look is beautiful. What do you guys think? This is beautiful. I'm so hyped, guys. Like, I'm seriously hyped, but I'm so sick. I'm really so sick. My allergies is, I don't know if it's my allergies or I'm catching the flu again. Like, something is wrong with my immune system. Like, I have to get it together. So anyhow, so this is this beautiful simple look. And if you guys are wondering about the wig, don't be worried, I'll have a video that will be about this for you guys, so just keep tuned. And until next time, I will see you in my next video. Why am I whispering? Why am I whispering? Like, why am I whispering? All right, get your life together, shit. Anyhow, guys, love you all, and I will see you in my next